6 warning signs of lymphoma. Don't ignore. Did you know that lymphoma is one of the top 10 most common cancers? Today, we're diving into 6 warning signs of lymphoma that you shouldn't ignore. Whether you're feeling overly tired or noticing unusual changes in your body, understanding these signs early on can drastically improve your chances of survival. Let's get started with understanding lymphoma and then get into the 6 warning signs. Watch until the end to learn about prevention as well. Understanding lymphoma. An NFL player, Foster Moreau, made headlines in a way no athlete would imagine. During a regular checkup by the New Orleans Saints medical team, he found out he had Hodgkin's lymphoma. He was in disbelief because he felt completely fine. So, what is lymphoma? Your body has white blood cells called lymphocytes. Lymphocytes play an important role in helping your immune system fight off infections. They are found all throughout your body in the lymphatic system. This system is a network of glands and vessels that help your body's immune system function properly. Lymphoma is a cancer where white blood cells are produced out of control and develop abnormally. Lymphoma usually originates in the lymphatic system. There are 2 main types, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma and Hodgkin's lymphoma. From these 2, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma is more common, making up about 90% of all cases. This type has around 40 different subtypes. Some of these subtypes grow fast and make you feel sick quickly, while others develop slower and unnoticeable. The second type is Hodgkin's lymphoma, which makes up about 10% of all lymphoma cases. It occurs more often in young adults, especially those between 20 and 34 years of age, and it's slightly more common in men. The exact causes of lymphoma are unknown, but doctors have pinpointed some risk factors that could make someone more likely to develop this type of cancer. These include having a weakened immune system, certain infections like the Epstein-Barr virus, and a family history of lymphoma. While it's tricky to catch lymphoma early, there are a few important warning signs you should know. Let's go over them now, starting with the most common sign. 1. Swollen lymph nodes. Lymphadenopathy is the medical term for swollen lymph nodes. They are caused by excessive buildup of white blood cells in the lymph nodes. Everyone will experience lymphadenopathy at some point throughout the course of lymphoma. While swollen lymph nodes are common and often associated with minor infections, they can also be a warning sign of something more serious like lymphoma. If you're trying to figure out if your swollen lymph nodes are something to worry about, here are a few things to keep in mind. Normal lymph nodes are small, usually less than 1.5 centimeters, about the size of a pea. If they're larger or keep growing, that's a red flag. The swollen lymph nodes are painless and commonly found in the neck, groin, and underarm. The texture of these nodes can tell you a lot as well. If they're soft and squishy, they're doing their job battling an infection. If the lymph nodes are hard and don't give when you press them, that's a warning they could be cancerous. Now, what happens when unusual body temperatures accompany these swollen lymph nodes? 2. Unexplained fever. The second warning sign is unexplained fevers that come and go without any obvious cause. These fevers are part of the B symptoms, which are a group of common symptoms associated with lymphoma. These unexplained fevers indicate the body might be fighting off cancerous cells. Lymphoma produces substances that cause an imbalance in the hypothalamus. This is your body's temperature control center. Lymphoma causes the hypothalamus to set your body temperature higher than normal. These fevers tend to be at least 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit and don't respond to typical fever treatments. Next, we dive into a symptom that could disrupt your sleep in a rather unsettling way. 3. Heavy night sweats. Do you ever wake up in the middle of the night profusely sweating, feeling like you've just run a marathon? If your sheets are soaked, your body may be sending you a serious message. Night sweats are another B symptom warning you of lymphoma. These night sweats can be due to overactive chemicals in your body called cytokines. These are messengers released by lymphoma cells. They signal the hypothalamus to turn up the heat. As a result, your body, thinking it's just following orders, starts working overtime to cool itself down, and you end up sweating like you've been in a sauna. The next sign is another important B symptom. 4. Weight loss. Have you ever noticed you're losing weight without trying? Losing more than 10% of total body weight over 6 months can be a major red flag. Unexplained weight loss is often associated with lymphoma and can be a significant warning sign of this type of cancer. According to the American Cancer Society and MD Anderson Cancer Center, unexplained weight loss is considered one of the B symptoms of lymphoma, along with fever and night sweats. When cells become cancerous, they use up your energy sources. This increased metabolic demand can lead to the body burning more calories than usual, even at rest, which can result in weight loss. Furthermore, lymphoma can stimulate the production of cytokines. Some cytokines increase the body's basal metabolic rate, causing the body to use more energy, leading to weight loss. Other cytokines suppress appetite, contributing further to weight loss. Up next, we'll explore a mysterious reaction that's directly related to Hodgkin's lymphoma. 5. Itchy skin. The sign is the mysterious itch known as pruritus, which is especially linked to Hodgkin's lymphoma. This condition causes the skin to be dry and itchy with possible red scaly rashes in the folds of the skin. The cause is a bit of a mystery. Some doctors think it might have something to do with certain chemicals released by the cancer cells. These chemicals can irritate your skin, making you feel itchy. Others believe the immune system itself could be causing the itch. While it's busy fighting the lymphoma cells, the immune system might accidentally trigger an itching sensation. Last, let's learn how lymphoma might be draining your energy levels. 6. Severe fatigue. Severe fatigue associated with lymphoma is not just the normal feeling of tiredness from a long day or a bad night's sleep. This type of fatigue is a deep, bone-weary kind of exhaustion that really doesn't go away even after you rest. Fatigue is already a vague symptom. It can be caused by several reasons, but in the context of lymphoma, it's often your body working overtime to fight the cancer cells, which uses a lot of energy. This leaves you feeling drained and exhausted, making even simple day-to-day activities feel like a huge task. Taking action. If you're noticing any of these 6 warning signs, it's important to talk to your doctor. Catching it early allows for more treatment options and a higher chance of survival. Adopting a healthy lifestyle can help lower your risk of lymphoma. This includes maintaining a healthy body weight, regular exercise, eating a proper diet, and avoiding harmful chemicals and radiation. In addition, manage stress effectively and make sure you get plenty of sleep. These habits give your immune system a boost as it fights off harmful substances and diseases. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the video showing on your screen right now to learn about another important topic for a healthier, happier you. See you there!